Hello, what is the main goal of swing trading? Well, for me, the main goal of swing trading is to make money. So, for swing trading, I will say the main objective or the main goal is to lock in the growth away from the valley line in. So we are going to analyze today's stocks as of March 20, 2026, RTX. So when we put RTX in our platform, for instance, we are analyzing it, we have this valley line that we trace is growing steadily along that valley line. And we can go to maximum monthly chart to see it again. So it is a growth stock, is growing, steadily. And if we invest in it long term, like we are not selling it, well, it's going to be growing, in my opinion, along the valley line, because it's going to be moving away from the valley line and pull back to it, and so forth. So depending on where you are going to sell it, if you decided to sell it when it pull back to the valley line, then you will have accumulated the growth along the valley line. So swing trading objective is to be able to lock in the growth away from the valley line in. And at least that is the way I view the valley line. The swing trading is to be able to lock in the growth away from the valley line in. Especially if you are swing trading the same stocks over and over and over, it's like you are investing in it, but you are locking in the growth away from the valley line in, and for buying it, of course, at a higher price, but still you are locking in this growth. So when we are looking at RTX, is it a time for us to buy? The answer is no, it's not. And why is that? It is close to the top of the mountain than it is to the valley line. So therefore, it's not the time to buy. We want to buy at the valley line and sell it, after all-time highest prices reach. But right now, from the last time it left the valley line, it's still going up. It's still climbing the mountain. It's nowhere near ready to come down yet. So we are just going to continue observing it. So that, for me, is the main goal of swing trading. Buying and selling to lock in the growth away from the valley line. And that valley line is a support line, is the support line passing by the higher low of the chart. As it's moving around, it's going to be swinging around, going up. But when you connect those higher lows, I like to call that the valley line. It's the line that is going to continue coming back to rest, and then go back up again, and then come back to. But again, within that, you'll have small swing as well. It depends on which swing trading strategy you are using. If you want to, do those small swings and buy and sell it in a short period of time, you can. But I'm doing more a longer term swing trading by buying at the valley and selling it at the peak, or somewhere around those extremes. So thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments. We thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and in sub.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. For more swing trading videos in this series, please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step using a long uptrend line in the description of this video. And we do have other swing trading related playlists there as well. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.